Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss worksheet number 1 of chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. I hope you have revised the basic concepts of this chapter. So question number 1 is find the sum of interior angles of hexagon ABCDEF by dividing it into triangles. So we are given a hexagon. So hexagon is a polygon having 6 sides. So we are given a hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. And we have to find the sum of interior angles by dividing it into triangles. You know the process of dividing a polygon into number of triangles. So we can start from any of the vertex. So let us begin with C. So you can see that here we can divide this hexagon into 4 number of non-overlapping triangles, right? So this is how we have divided a hexagon into number of triangles. Now, what is the sum of interior angles of a triangle? Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we will be using this fact for getting the final answer. So here hexagon is divided into 4 number of triangles. Hexagon is divided into 4 non-overlapping triangles. So what will be the sum of interior angles of hexagon? Therefore, sum of interior angles of hexagon is equal to 4 into 180 degrees. What is the answer? That is 720 degrees, right? So this is question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is find the sum of interior angles of a polygon of given number of sides using the formula. So we need to find the sum of interior angles of a polygon using formula. What is the formula? N minus 2 into 180 degrees. What is N? N is number of sides, right? So here the first part is we are given 12 sides. 12 sides meaning N is 12. So what will be the sum of interior angles? So sum of interior angles is equal to equal to 12 minus 2 into 180 degrees, that is 10 into 180 degrees. So this is 1800 degrees. So let us do the second part. The second part is, it says N is 9 sides. Let us solve this. Second part is we are given 9 sides. 9 sides meaning N is 9. So what will be the sum of interior angles? We will be using the formula. What is the formula? Yes, it is N minus 2 into 180 degrees. So 9 minus 2 into 180 degrees, that is 7 into 180 degrees. So what is the answer? 7 into 18, 126. So 1260 degrees. 1260 degrees is the answer. What is the third part? Third part is 22 sides. So 22 sides meaning N is 22. So what is the sum of interior angles? So sum of interior angles is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So n is 22. So 22 minus 2 into 180 degrees, simplify. So 20 into 180 degrees, very simple, answer is 3600 degrees. So basically you have used here the formula for sum of interior angles of a polygon. You can write here of polygon, and the formula is n minus 2 into 180 degrees, and using this formula we can find the sum of all interior angles. Okay, let us now do question number 3. Question number 3, it is very simple. Find the measure of each angle of a regular octagon. What is an octagon? Octagon meaning a polygon having 8 sides. Octagon has 8 sides. Now, first step is n is 8. So, we will be first finding sum of all interior angles. So, sum of interior angles of octagon is, now you will be using the same formula, n minus 2 into 180 degrees, that is n minus 2, that is 8 minus 2, 6 into 180 degrees, right? And then what we have to do? Yes, we have to find the measure of each angle. So measure of each angle is equal to the total sum divided by number of sides. So sum divided by n. What is the sum? Sum is 6 into 180 degrees, and what is n? N is 8. So you have to simplify this. So when we simplify this, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. We can cancel. So 3 into 45. So answer is 105 degrees. So measure of, no, the answer is 135 degrees. 3 into 45. 135 degrees. Okay. So this is how we have done question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 4 angles of a pentagon are 100 degrees, 175 degrees, 85 degrees and 75 degrees. Find the fifth angle. We need to find out the fifth angle. So in a pentagon, what is the angle sum? So n is 5. So sum of angles is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So that is 3 into 180 degrees. So that is 540 degrees. So that is the angle sum. First we will find the angle sum, and after that we need to find out the fifth angle. 4 angles are already given. So fifth angle will be equal to sum of all interior angles minus sum of 4 angles. Right, so we need to do a little mathematical calculation here. So this will be equal to sum of all interior angles, that means 540 degrees minus sum of all 4 angles. So that is 100 plus 175 plus 85 plus 75. You just do this calculation, you will get the answer. Yes, answer to this question comes out to be 105 degrees. Right. So very simple questions have been asked in this exercise. So basically we have used the concept of sum of interior angles of a polygon that is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. And then how to find measure of each angle. So you need to divide the sum of interior angles by the number of sides. So you get measure of each angle. And then simple questions like if you are given a particular polygon and then one angle needs to be found and remaining all angles are given. So again you are going to use the same property for finding the solution. I hope you have understood this concept and practice more such questions based on this particular concept. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.